This black oxide solution will give steel and iron an instant deep black appearance, and it takes just minutes. It's like magic. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. You can dilute this with water anywhere from 1:1 to 1:6. That way you can brush it on, wipe it on, or dip items in it. Here are some nuts and bolts. Here we go. Look at that. It's changing in real time. I am not fast forwarding the footage. This is happening real time. I'll take one out a bit early. Look at that. Just a few moments, it's already darkening. These nuts and bolts were a bit dusty. Ignore this stuff floating on the top. What a difference. That's incredible. I'm gonna put these back in for another minute. Try and get all the air bubbles out. Not that it's a really big deal. When you're satisfied, you can just put the items in water. That stops the reaction. I am just amazed at how well this works. This is incredible. If you are looking to restore old hardware, maybe blacken some tools, make some door hinges black, this is great for automotive work. This stuff works near instantaneously. I don't know what else to say. This is a great product.